Villa Sebastiana is a subdivision in Tawason, Mandaue City, and this was sold last 2018, and only 4 units remain, and they are the model units. The first one is Sharon. It is a 4-bedroom single detached, and the 3 remaining are the Mary Therese Duplex, also 4 bedrooms. So let's watch it. If you notice, it still needs cleaning. The space is big. You can see the kitchen counter already there. This is the first bedroom, and then needs cleaning. The stairs needs cleaning. And then we go up to the 3 bedrooms. This is the first one. Quite big, if I may add. That's a restroom, and then bedroom number 2 with closet already. And then finally we go to the master bedroom, which also has the view outside. You get to view the street going outside. There's a guardhouse. This is Mary Therese, the previous one was Sharon. This also needs cleaning. Model houses, if I may add. Kitchen counter already set up. Bedroom number 1 here. Bedroom number 1 here. Good for guests, your maid's quarters, or for your parents who are older and do not want to go upstairs. Here's bedroom number 2. Quite a space here with a closet also. Closet here for bedroom number 3. And finally bedroom number 4 with a closet. Sharon, the single detached that you saw in the first house tour, is 121 square meters in lot area, and the floor area is 123 square meters, while Mary Therese, the second house, is quite small but still big at 70 square meters the lot area and 92 square meters for the floor. There are 4 units remaining, and the prices for these are for the Sharon, price starts at 8.2 million. 20% down payment, 30,000 reservation fee. For Mary Therese, 5 million pesos. 20,000 down payment, 30,000 pesos reservation. Equity or the down payment should be paid in 6 months only. And after 6 months only can you move in. If you noticed, I did not get any drone shots at the beginning of the video because among all the houses in the subdivision, only these 4 remain. And I might, the privacy and also signal interference. So that's one of my biggest problems with the DJI Mavic Mini. Since it's Wi-Fi signal, the signal gets interfered quite often, especially in a heavy Wi-Fi area. So that's it. That's your virtual home tours for Sharon single detached and Mary Therese duplex of Villa Sebastiana in Tawason, Mandaue City. This is developed by IDFAS Development Corporation. They are local developers here in Cebu, and if ever you're interested to view these houses in person, you can just contact me. My details are in the description box below. So that's it. See you in the next video. Bye. You're still here. Since you are still here, let me share to you some of my problems. If you can see, I'm using a microphone from my phone, a Huawei phone. They have very good audio, very good microphone. And here beside me is or are microphone 1, microphone 2, microphone 3, and they are not working. My friend Boos, you've seen him in the previous vlogs, told me to use one of these. I don't know what this is called. He said to use one of these, but whenever I use this, there's a strong high-pitched sound coming from this device. So whenever I record, I can hear my voice, the sound, the noise is gone. I can hear my voice and only this high-pitched ringing sound. Anyway, that's all. See you. Bye.